Hello, welcome back. Okay, this video is going to be about the ribbon. Okay, the ribbon, like you gift on the box. Yes, little ribbon here. So we're going to start with a two-hand hold position. Again, be careful. We're both going over our heads. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nicely done. All right, we're going to go from this position here. Let's start from here. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nicely done. Okay, so we're going to do it from this position. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nice. All right, so we're going to stay here. Here we go. And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nicely done. And note, this is a pattern that we can get to the right to right. Remember, there's other patterns that we can do from here, so which is a really good thing. Yeah? Now, other things about this is that you can go to the private lesson style video to get more detail on how this actually works. Cool? So, go practice on your own or apart, and then come on back to the next pattern.